Good morning. It's Friday, May 20th, 2022, and want to do a little Victory Garden update, let you all know what I've done and got planted. As you know, or some of you may know, I had a really rough winter and spring, and question whether I'd even get a garden in this year, but I was able to, and it's the best therapy that there is. So we'll start here. So I planted carrots in these wooden crates last year, and they did really well. It also prevented rabbits from devouring them. Last year I had a horrible problem with rabbits, so this year I did more things in containers than ever before, because that kind of keeps it rabbit proof. So these are a shorter variety of carrots, and there's plenty of depth for them. We've got herbs, dill. These ferns are things that I harvested from the woods a few years ago and stuck them in pots. They come back every year. Lettuces of various types. Lettuces that seeded themselves from last year that I transplanted into a window box. We've got green and yellow bush beans in containers, 3 of them. The bunnies just kept chowing down every crop of beans I planted this year, so containers are the way to go. But I also planted beans in ground this year. I haven't really had a problem with bunnies yet. We'll see if that holds true. We've got some heirloom Bloody Butcher corn planted in this section. You know, 1 packet of seeds, more for fun, and just to see how they grow. Peppers in pots. We've got pole beans here, heirloom varieties. One of them is Black Cherokee, and these supports I made out of PVC piping and some stakes just to secure them in the ground a little bit better. I've got bush beans planted here. This year I decided to really just focus on things that I will eat and enjoy all year long. I cut way back on peppers because I've got so many cans of pickled peppers and marinated peppers and everything else. This will be enough for any salsa that I make this year. I just have 2 plants of those. We've got herbs. We've got some zinnias in the center there, some nasturtiums in a hanging pot, and because bunnies chowed down all my cucumbers last year, they're in pots this year, and these are all, I've got 4 different varieties of pickling cucumbers, and those should do really well. And then I've got like, I don't know, 7 varieties of tomatoes, and I guess that's kind of it for the roundup. It's not too late to plant your summer garden. It's only May 20th. You've got a lot of time left. So get out there, get in the dirt, dig around, enjoy the sun, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.